Hey friends, in this episode of Gene and Renee Travel Adventures, we're going to go to every man's favorite store. Guys, you know where I'm talking about. We're going to Home Depot. Home Depot in La Paz, Baja California Sur, Mexico. Now, I warn you, Home Depot is a lot different here than it is up in the USA. Stay tuned and you'll see what I mean. Okay, covered parking, everything's in Spanish, prices are in pesos. I see a couple of more things, and I don't know if you see them too. I don't remember ever seeing red-colored cabinets in Home Depot before. Maybe I have, maybe you have. Down in the comments, tell me any things that you see that are any different than a Home Depot where you live. Along with some gorgeous tropical plants that I don't think we see these in Virginia Beach. did my man thing. Been in Home Depot, very happy. Such friendly people. I did meet a guy in there from Colorado and got to talk with him some. And the guy at the checkout line, well, the lady didn't speak English, but the guy came by there that worked there, and he did, and we had a good conversation and found what I needed. I needed some galvanized pipe to be able to extend the, what do you call that thing? The thing when you're changing a tire. Crowbar, not a crowbar, but anyway, you know what I mean, where you're loosening the lug nuts. Mine, you know, when they put the lug nuts on, they're tight with the air compressor thing. I'm very technical. Air compressor thing, it's too tight for that little short, let me show you that thing. You already know what I'm talking about, but anyway, it's too short for when it's been put on with an air compressor, so I needed something longer. So I got that. They only had a smaller diameter, but I got an adapter, so it should work fine. What do you think, Jenny? Will that work fine? Yeah. Oh, she's not sure. As you can tell, I'm not a mechanic, nor do I play one on television. But what I do is videos. And so thanks for watching this little short video on our trip to Home Depot to solve a little problem that I had. And anyway, we're gonna hit the road, ride around some, see what there is to see. Thank you for subscribing, for liking, for sharing. And don't forget, we have another channel called Take a Breath. Please go down to the description section and you'll see a link to that channel. Go check it out. We would love for you to help us grow that channel. Thank you. Dios te bendiga, mi amigos. Close to where we're staying, there is a great little taco stand. Let's stop and get us something to eat. We just ate a little quick dinner, some street tacos at a place we've eaten at before. I just can't remember the name of it. Let me see what it says. El Gran Pastor. El Gran Pastor. 240 pesos. We both had 2 tacos each, and Renee had a large Coke, and I had horchata. And man, it is wonderful. It is great. People are cool and breezy, nice and breezy tonight, which is well welcomed after the hot day.